So for those of you that have watched the other channel, which is my vlog and travel channel, and for those of you that haven't watched it, why not? Head on over. You get to see some of my old videos, which I have just recently re-released on there just to give it some content, but you also get to see a lot of my motorcycle riding videos, which in turn kind of plays out to today's video. And it is for this, which is the Dock LinQ, I guess, Pro 30-pin Bluetooth 5.0 adapter receiver. It says for Bose Sound Dock and, well, it does say and other. Good. All of a sudden I'm like, uh-oh. And other 30-pin iPod, iPhone music docking stations, not for cars. Okay, again, now maybe I'm a little concerned because I don't know how to read overly good. Mine's not a car necessarily, it's for my motorcycle. So those of you, again, that have watched my other channel, just realize that this week, this past, let's say in the last 5 days, I went through the whole process of trading in my old Yamaha Royal Star Venture, and I bought a Victory Cross Country Tour. One of the kind of upgrade slash downgrade, depending on how you want to look at it, was the stereo that's in the cross country, because in the Royal Star you actually had an auxiliary connection, so you could plug like a headphone style connector in and you could plug just about anything into that and you were kind of just good to go, right? You could listen to music. Now the stereo itself, not as good quality wise as the cross countries for sure. But the cross country doesn't have an auxiliary jack. Not that I can find, and if it does have one, please somebody tell me where it is, because maybe that'll make it easier. But it does have a 30-pin iPhone cable in one of the storage areas on the side of the bike. So you could just throw your phone in there, and if you had an older phone, and charge it and plug it in, and also control the music from your iPod through the actual stereo, which is cool. But who has a phone now that's 30-pin? Maybe you have an old iPod, possibly, but again, you can't stream like Apple Music or anything like that from it. So I bought this right here. You guys see it? I bought this. This is it. They call it up there the Dock LinQ, but here it's called Invery. The Invery. I guess it does say it at the top. Maybe you guys can see it. It does say it up here. Dock LinQ Bluetooth adapter for iPhone, for iPod music and docking stations. So it doesn't say anywhere on here not for cars. And does this have a plastic piece or anything on it? It's a lovely little box that it came in. It's kind of impressive actually. It does have plastic on it. What it doesn't want is for me to open it. It's trying to. Oh, it's got tape on it. That's why. Here it is. Voila, you guys. Voila, you can see it. So you get a little manual, which I may read. Doubtful. This does have. So it must have, if you're not going to use Bluetooth. It has. You see that? It has like the standard 3.5mm or 1/8 inch. Look at that presentation. Right there it is. Look at that presentation. It looks nice. Oh, it just fell out. Anyways, that's it. So yeah, it looks like it has like maybe an on-off switch on it. Maybe if I block, right, on-off switch on it right there. There's your 30-pin. There's your 30-pin there. And on the on-off area too. Where am I? Right there. It does also have the 1/8 inch or the 3.5mm, however you want to say it. So this you just hardwire it, which is also good. But on an iPhone, that means you also have to go from this. So you're going from the 30-pin to this to this to this to lightning adapter. But I guess if I have a cable that goes lightning to this, so it should function. It should function. So what we're going to do is, it's currently really cold outside. I'm just going to wait for it to warm up a little bit. We'll go out and see how this works. All right, guys, we are outside, and here is my bike. You guys can see it's a little dirty because it went out for a good ride yesterday. I'm just going to put my keys and that down here. Now this is the piece, right?
And as you can see right here, there is this 30 pin right there. So as far as I can tell, this should only be able to go one way. That way, I guess. Seems like it's in there. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna switch cameras because I figure I'm gonna have to use Bluetooth to kind of get this to function. So hold on a second. All right, guys. So here it is. Key in the ignition. Let's have some power. Neutral. Yes. Come on. Cold today. It's a cold day. So I don't know if this has. Oh, it's got a blue flashy light. I don't know if you guys can see it. There is a very light blue flashy light there. So if I were to come here into my good old settings, Bluetooth, go to the bottom, there it is, DockLink Q Pro 5. Sweet deal. Come on, connect. So I'm guessing that's it. Did it connect? Is it at the top somewhere? Connected. Sweet deal. All right, so let's do this now. Let's bring my radio on. Yes. Okay, so that's the radio. And we're gonna go mode. So we're gonna go to auxiliary, which should be this. And I wonder if I did this. I said, I think I have a non-copyrighted playlist. Hold on. Copyright free. Here we go. I don't know. This is all just whatever. Make sure my volume's up here. Hey! Listen to that. We've got Bluetooth music. So here's a question now. I don't know if is there a way to, like, if I hit tune or anything? No. I don't think so. So go back. Whoops. Auxiliary. No, I don't think you can do any kind of control from it, but you can, you know, of course, adjust the volume. And this is going to be up on my screen anyways, right? So from here, I could be like, next song. Oh, I'm happy. Oh, I'm happy. That's fantastic. All right, guys, I'm gonna turn this up. Here's the question. If I turn my bike off, right, does this lose? Yeah, okay, it looks like it's powered, so like it's not actually getting power from the adapter when the bike's off, so that's good. Tuck all that back in. Yeah, that's a win. That's totally a win. You know, music. Now I don't have to just listen to the radio. And I will take this cable, I will stick it in there as well, just so I have it. And I could go for a ride today, actually. It's a nice enough day, and I'm gonna, because I have to take Mary's bike is over there. It's going into storage, so I'm riding her bike. So you'll see a video on the other channel of that right away. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out. I'll leave links below if you want to pick up one of these for your bike that has a 30-pin adapter on it, I guess. And that's all. Later.